Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about the Little Owl Snow, this super cute kids book that I have here. So I think this is such a cute book. It has such cute illustrations and it's so fun. It's all about this little owl who is learning about winter time. And he sees all of his friends scurry off into their hibernation mode, and he's sad. He's asking his mama, when is it going to be spring again? What's going on? And his mama kind of teaches him how to enjoy the moment and how there is beauty in all things. Eventually, through the fall, he learns about the snow, and he realizes it's okay, and he likes it. So it's really, really cute. So at the end here, it says, Mama told Little Owl he would see fireflies again. He would see Hedgehog too soon enough. Right now, though, it was time to enjoy the snow. So it's a very cute book. I like this book. I think you will too. And that's my point of view.